Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word the. What word? The. Look at the mouth. Open up and say, ah, the mouth. This is the word a. What word? A. Here is a dog. A dog. This is the word one. What word? One. I see one cat. One cat. This is the word two. What word? Two. She will give a gift to a boy. A gift to a boy. This is the word my. What word? My. My sister has a dress like mine. My sister. This is the word and. What word? And. A slide and swings. How fun! Slide and swings. This is the word me. What word? Me. Look at my sister and me. My sister and me. This is the word big. What word? Big. Whoa, what a big horse. A big horse. That's all of today's words. Let's read them again. The, a, one, two, me, and, my, big. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.